Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
The question that bothers me in part is then why would the soul, as I understand your conception, the soul is part of the spiritual sky originally, or part of God, and it somehow falls out of this blissful condition due to pride, much like the Christian thesis that the devil fell out of heaven due to pride. And it seems puzzling why the soul would be so silly, so foolish, so insane as to do such a thing.
That is in independence.
Independence.
Instead of using independence properly, when he misuses independence, he falls.
I'm sorry, he what?
He falls down.
He falls.
He falls down on account of his independence. Just like you have got independence, you are sitting here, you can go immediately. You may not like to hear me.
I would not like.
You may not like to hear me.
Yes.
That independence you have got. I have got also. I may not talk with you. So that independence is always there. Similarly, as part and parcel of God, it is the duty of the soul to be always engaged in the service of the Lord.
Always engaged in
the service of the Lord.
service of
Just like this finger is part and parcel of my body. Whatever I am ordering, it is immediately carrying out. I say, make it like this, it will do. So, but this is dead matter. It is acting mechanically. The brain directs immediately the finger and attacks, like machine. This whole body is just like a machine. But soul is not machine, mechanical part. It is spiritual part. So therefore, as I am directing the finger, as being machine it is working. But if somebody else, a friend or servant, I may direct him to do something, he may not do it. So when the soul misuses the independence, then he falls down. That is material life. Material life means misusing the independence of soul. Just like a son's duty is to obey the father. But he may not obey. That is his madness. So when this soul, misusing the independence, becomes mad, he is sent in this material world.
It's puzzling to me that one would be so foolish.
Because by independence you can become foolish. Otherwise there is no meaning of independence. Independence means you can do whatever you like. That is stated in the Bhagavad-gita, that Jathechasi tatha kuru. Find out this verse in the 18th chapter. That independence is there. After instructing the whole Bhagavad-gita to Arjuna, Krishna gave him the independence. Now, whatever you like you can do. Krishna never forced him to accept the teachings of Bhagavad-gita. He gave him the independence. Now whatever you like you can do. And he agreed. Yes, now my illusion is over, I shall act, as you say. the same independence. Yeah?
Yeah. This is in the 18th chapter.
Thus I have explained to you the most... the Sanskrit first?
Yeah.
Iti te jnanam akyatam guyat guyataram maya virishyaitat asheshena yate chasit tatakuru. Thus I have explained to you the most confidential of all knowledge. Deliberate on this fully and then do what you wish to do.
Yeah. Now, if you say, why this soul should become so foolish, so that is misuse of independence. An intelligent father has got intelligent son, but sometimes he becomes a fool. So, what is the reason? That he is this part and parcel of the father. He should have become exactly like the father, but he does not become like the father. I have seen in Allahabad, the big lawyer, barrister, Mr. Banerjee, his eldest son was also a barrister, and his youngest son, on account of bad association, he became a ekawala. Ekawala means in India there is a carriage drawn by one horse. So he liked to be an ekawala. That means he fell in love with a low-class woman, and by her association he became an ekawala. There are many instances. The Ajamil Upakhan, he was a Brahmin, and then he fell down very low. So this misuse of independence is always there.
Hare Krishna